Now we're at the DC battery switch panel. This is located on the bulkhead just to starboard of the console. This is what controls all the batteries on this boat. To energize the various DC switches, the first step is to slide down the small cover that is over the rocker switch. The next step is to depress the red rocker switch. There's a light that appears when the switch is powered up. Now all the batteries for the engine, house, generator, and bow thruster are turned on. These battery switches energize all of the ship's systems. They will feed power to all systems on the console switch panel and the switch panel that's located down in the cabin. When your day of boating is over, or if you're going to leave the boat for more than an hour or two, I suggest turning off the DC battery switches. To do that, you slide the black covers up over the individual switches and cover the red LED light. Now you'll depress each switch where it says off. The red telltales are now turned off, and this indicates that your battery switches are powered down.